This is the pound Aussie on the 5 range, and we have a head and shoulders that's set up. Now, just before I go into this, I am going to go ahead and do the high time frame analysis here. We're just going to get a little bit of perspective as to what the markets are doing. And if I put a structure level on at the very highs, then we have hit that level and we have bounced off it, and we are currently seeing a retracement lower. Let's go to the 240. Here on the 240 we had a move lower, a pullback, a move, I can class this, a move lower, pullback, move lower, seeing a pullback. We have also just had here a lower low, lower close. Coming into the structure level, if we drop to the 60, we'll be able to see this clearer. And based on the 60 here, we have violated this level of structure. So I would only be looking for shorting opportunities. If we go to the 15, not a great deal here on the 15. You can make the case here that we are still trending lower, outside return, lower, outside return, lower. We have come into structure here though. If we go to the 5, we are up within this outside return just here. And so we could look for shorting opportunities in this zone. However, if we do go to the 5 range, this is what I'm looking at. For head and shoulders, we're really looking for a directional move, a pullback. We're then looking for the market to make a new high, test structure highs, and then we came lower. This was an initial structure low, meaning it was lower than the outside return. We saw a pullback. We did not violate the left shoulder. We have then had a lower low, lower close candle as the entry. So if I bring back on the orders, stops here have gone an ATR above the high, which is 5 pips, but I've given it an extra pip for breathing room. And targets are down here, a few pips in front of the closes of the candles, 1 pip above. I'm going to make it 2. 2 pips above that psychological number, 18600. Meaning in terms of the risk, 18, and in terms of the reward, 24. And we're back for the update. This trade has now lost for 18 pips.